and we batting first, as always. Play smart. Nothing to say in batting, okay? Put the good score, and we'll talk about bowling later.
Yeah, I mean, being a team that we are, remember, toss gets out of the equation. We probably would have done the exact same thing. Just think about that. What they wanted, we're so happy. For them, probably the same thing, right? So it gets out of the equation. Like you said, good game. We've been batting good recently, 140, 140. Last week was tough condition, 120 something, right? We're going to have to bat well to win against good team. I'm just going to, especially a unique team like this, they play a lot of, 360 shots, so it's always going to be hard to cover run a ball. So we're going to need runs, right? But at the same time, the only way we're going to get runs if we score runs. Gods ain't gonna put it in our plate, right? Don't rely on people too much, right? Rely on yourself and play positive intent cricket. That's all I'll say. If the ball's in your arc, go for it. But let's make sure we swing hard enough that the ball goes. But let's be disciplined today. If it's the last red game, we've done amazing so far. You don't want to ruin your mood going out of this red game streak by not taking it seriously even by 1%. Today's the day, right? Some of us lost yesterday. Didn't feel good. You don't want that 2 days in a row. Right? And rest of the guys, let's make sure we step up. Now, let's bat good.
I'm going to add one thing. I told him over the weekend, none of our PV guys in top 10 in bowling, batting, or player ranking this year, which is actually something we are proud of because what we were trying to achieve was everybody contribute to the game. And Badai Karuch actually, right? Deep, ranking higher in the wickets. Shri, a lot of runs that he has never scored before. So each one of you has played a role in winning the game. So keep that in mind when you go batting, bowling, or fielding, right? We are not a one-person team. This is a whole team that's winning every game, and we are ranking number 1 in Division 1 doing that. So that's something crazy. But keep that in mind.
Very good.
Every single
one
ball.
thing, we don't want to disrespect them, and they don't want to disrespect us. Okay, so play a disciplined game. Okay.
Yeah, let the ball and bat do the talking.
Let's go, boys!
1, 2, 3, dance!
Fast dorsu, sabash. તને શાંતિથી રમવાનું છે સર પેલો મારે છે અમે કડક માર આવે છે હરકો માર Good running, boys! Good running, boys! Good one, yeah.
Oh! Water ball, boy, water ball. મફતના રન મળ્યા છે.
ઘણી જોરદાર શોટ હતો આમથી આમ માર બાના થોડું ખેંચીને આગું માર લે બોલન પેલા શાબાશ શાબાશ રોણી ગુડ લાઈન
Good one. Nice one.
બોલર
Four.
રમી લો ગુડ રનિંગ બોય શાબાશ ચલો 67 થઈ ગયા છે આવતા રહો
Use only a thumbnail size drop.
બોલ માર્યો તું એ બહાર Run. Almost good running, yeah. Good running, Baba. Good one, Bobby. Bija now. નીચેથી કુશી જો અંકુશ ગમ્યો મારને આવા Hundred up, guys. Hundred up. Let's go, boy. 1, 2, 3, let's. Come on, guys. Come on.
Shot, buddy. Nice shot, Amol. Beautiful one. Shot. Good call. Good shot, Amol. Nice shot, boy. Nice shot, Amol.
What a shot.
Beautiful shot, Amol. Nice boy. No ball. Run fast. Nice one. Good running. Shot. Run. Yeah. Good shot, Prabha. Good shot, boy. Maru!
Guys, let's start off real quick.
આ તો નીચે
મારા લેવલની ફિલ્ડિંગ નહીં કરી તમારે.
બહુ ઠંડો આજે તું હતો રન કે એનો વાંધો નહીં
આ ગરમી લાગે કે નહીં માણસને?
આ ખાલી કહું છું પછી થયું હોય તો આપણે હેલ્પ કરવું
Guys, excellent win. Excellent win.
Batting, bowling, fielding, amazing.
Jan Ali, yaar.
At one point, I would say if we are batting second, power play if we scoring 58 runs, we will be easy. Okay. But the way we came back after 8 overs,
Amazing.
Udit bowling.
Good bowling, good bowling.
Bhavik,
Ronnie and Bhavik too.
If this didn't tell you that they were a semi-final team last year, there's a reason why they were, right? Look at the way they bat. 84 guys, so respect when they're good teams, right? The
Playing
fact,
60, it's nightmare.
yeah. Imagine runner bowler, what I said before the match. Imagine defending runner ball versus a team that half of the guys play with. It's very hard, right? So, but the fact that we batted brilliantly today, let's give a clap to the batting effort. You know, we've dropped 140, I think 4 times in a row now against good teams, which is not easy, right? પહેલું બેટિંગમાં હું જોવા કે કમના રૂથલેસલી વાગે. There are levels to this, right? એ બીનો બોલ આવે ડિફરન્સ પડે જ થોડો. So the fact that આપણે રન માર્યા versus એમણે માર્યા, there's a huge difference. There's a reason they bowl first. Remember that. Like, nobody wants to bat and do, you know. But the start we got, guys, 67. In my head, to be very honest, when I was going back, I had 100 in mind. 8 over 100. They're chasing 160 plus. That was in my mind as a batsman, right? So the fact that we were like 20 something short was a little disappointing from a batting unit, right? If we play clinical, guys, no one will beat us. But if we keep teams in, I thought Endama toy Raj, let's give him a clap, right, for that clutch knock. We tried to be up under run ocha hot. You know, if we didn't bat brilliantly, right? This is it. 125 એવા સારી ટીમો મારી જશે. આવું રૂથલેસલી જો પાવર પ્લે રન વાગી ગયા ને એટલે એમાં સારા નાખશો ને તોય શું કરશો તમે? If he plays good shot, what are you going to do? Nothing. So let's just make sure we're always trying to, you know, put high scores. But amazing fight, guys. You know, at one point, like he said, આપણે ચેસ કરતા જ ને એમ કે આ મેચ તો ના હરાઈ ગયા. 8 over 67 થયા, ના હારીએ. 8 માં 80 ના વાગે, that would be our mindset chasing. 8 માં 80 ના વાગે with these 7 batsmen, right? They had the same mindset, તોય ના મારવા દીધા, right? So amazing bowling, guys. Udit bhai, that 1 over, man. You know, એક ટકો બધાનો વાગે. But the fact that બીજા 4 તમે હલવા નહીં દેતા, that's the difference. Like as a batting unit, I'll say the same thing. આપણું નસીબ છે કે આપણે આવા બોલરો નથી રમતા. અગર આવા બોલરો આવે ને તો હું જો લીડર કમના પાડો છો. 1-2 વાગે maybe. But આવા આપણે 4 સડિંગ કોકને માર દઈએ છે એવા ના વાગે. So, you know, whenever we're batting, even when we're batting first, it's always easier difficult because we don't have to face this type of bowling lineup, you know. So, but amazing, guys. Four red games and, you know, winning all 4, man. Amazing. Very proud of you guys, man. Even with trying and testing, we're what 11, 12 and 1. That's crazy. With net run rate, I got nothing to say. Clinical stuff, man.
I mean, it's our bowler red game naughty, right? And I would still say other pool every game is good. They're number 8. They're playing like this. So if you're playing another game right now, next week, doesn't matter if it's red game, green game, yellow game, you gotta perform. Okay? Because any team can come and beat us. Okay. Best example this year is
Green game beat us, right?
Yeah. Easily they chased it easily, right? So I would say don't take it easy. Let's continue this. Okay, we're batting great. So I want to win with the batting.
Yeah.
Let's put 130, 140, 130, 140, and that's it. Keep going.
Yep, bowling is luxury. Look at batting. That's it. Anything? Anyone? Nish?
I think from this ground we learned 2 things, right? Last game આપણે had same situation. Chasing they went. Actually chasing is a lot easier. We don't do it, but it's a lot easier when they score. We already talked about. But the fact that we come back like this, never lose hope. We don't, I know, but sometimes the body language just goes down. Boring. But there's always a way that we can come back, no matter how. There's always a way. We gotta keep that belief, right? As long as we believe that, we'll come back.
I just want to say one thing. The positive is this, that you know, we've been doing tough situation stuff and winning games. That's very important, you know. Like Neil said, that all the time we've been like all the red games, you know, they've won the toss, they've put us in the match, put a score, and then come and defend it. So, you know, in all these 3 departments, we're actually being put under the test in the right way that we need to be. And I feel like, you know, this is just grinding, and everybody put that effort, you know. I could see today, like, you know, nobody wanted to go back home with a loss, you know. In my mind, I was like, I don't want to lose here again this year. No, that's it.
Alright guys, good stuff. Mudhu, got anything?
Let's go. 1, 2, 3 ચીટી. 1, 2, 3 let's.
તો તારું ભલું કહું છું તોય મને કે
આજે રન આઉટ કર્યો હોત તો હું મેન ઓફ ધ મેચ was fielding.
આયનો
છક્કા કેવા છક્કા એને પછી એ જ હતો